Muthuvel Karunanidhi, the 3rd of June 1924 to the 7th of August 2018, popularly known as Kazhagam, was an Indian politician who served as the Chief Minister of the state of Tamil Nadu for 5 separate terms in the 1969 to 2011 period. He was a long-standing leader of the Dravidian self-respect movement and 10-time president of the Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam political party. Before entering politics, he worked in the Tamil film industry as a screenwriter. He has also made contributions to Tamil literature, having written stories, plays, novels, and a multiple-volume memoir. Karunanidhi died at 6:10 p.m. on the 7th of August 2018 at the Kaveri Hospital in Chennai after a prolonged age-related illness which led to multiple organ failure. Born in Thiruvarur village in Nagapattinam district, he was born as a son of Muthuvel and Nadu. Karunanidhi was more interested in drama, poetry, and literature during his completely engaged in social movements at his 14th age. With the help of some of his students in the field of youth revitalized the organization. The organization helped young people develop their inspiration in writing. After some time, the state was formed as a state-level all-students club. This was the first student division of the Dravidian movement. Karunanidhi also engaged the student community in social work with other members. DMK, the party's official newspaper, Murasali, started developing a newspaper for its members. The first major opposition to Karunanidhi's support for Tamil politics involved in the Kallakudi demonstration, 1953. The original name of this industrial city is Kallakudi, Dalmia, which set up a cement plant, is from North India and changed the original name Kallakudi to Dalmiapuram. DMK opposed the name change as it was seen as North Indian oppression of Tamil Nadu. Karunanidhi and his comrades posted papers on the name Dalmiapuram in the railway station name board and blocked the passage of the trains. 2 people died in the demonstration by the police action and Karunanidhi was arrested. Karunanidhi began his career as a screenwriter in the Tamil film industry. His first movie as screenwriter was Rajakumari, produced by Coimbatore-based Jupiter Pictures, directed by A.S.A. Sami, starring M.G. Ramchandran. During this period he and M.G. Ramchandran, then an upcoming actor and later-day founder of AIADMK party, started a long friendship, eventually turning into rivals in later years' politics. His stint with Jupiter's Pictures, then housed at Central Studios, continued for another MGR-style Bhimanyu 1948 film, Maradhana to Ilavrasi 1950, starring M.G. Ramchandran and V. N. Janaki. Around late 1949, T.R. Sundaram of Modern Theatres Studio and Salima engaged Karunanidhi as scriptwriter for the film Manthiri Kumari starring M.G. Ramchandran, which would become a blockbuster hit. Later T.R. Sundaram had Karunanidhi on permanent roles at Modern Studio. Parashakti. His most notable movie was Parashakti, a turning point in Tamil cinema, as it espoused the ideologies of the Dravidian movement and also introduced 2 prominent actors of Tamil filmdom, Sivaji Ganesan and S.S. Rajendran. The movie was initially marred with controversies and faced censorship troubles, but was eventually released in 1952, becoming a huge box office hit. The movie was opposed by Orthodox Hindus since it contained elements that criticized Brahmanism. 2 other movies written by Karunanidhi that contained such messages were Panam 1952, directed by famous comedian and political activist N.S. Krishnan, and Thangaratnam 1960, produced and acted by S. Rajendran, another popular actor and DMK activist. These movies contain themes such as widow remarriage, abolition of untouchability, self-respect marriages, abolition of zamindari and abolition of religious hypocrisy. Another memorable hit movie was Manohara 1954, starring Sivaji Ganesan, S.S. Rajendran and Pecan Number, known for its crisp dialogues, writing and narration style. Through his wit and oratorical skills, he rapidly rose as a popular politician. As his movies and plays with strong social messages became popular, they suffered from increased censorship. Two of his plays in the 1950s were banned. He was famous for writing historical and social reformist stories which propagated the socialist and rationalist ideals of the Dravidian movement to which he belonged. Alongside C.N. Annadurai, he began using Tamil cinema to propagate his political ideals through his movies. Filmography. At the age of 20, Karunanidhi went to work for Jupiter Pictures as a scriptwriter. His first film, Rajakumari, gained him much popularity. It was here that his skills as a scriptwriter were honed, which extended to many films. He was active in screenwriting even during his later political career till 2011, when he last wrote for historical film Ponnar Shankar. The names of the following persons are Ponnar Shankar, Ilagnan, Pensingam, Oyan Osri, Pasakiligal, Kannamma, Manan Maindhan, Pataya Parashakti, Madurai Meenakshi, 1993, Kavalukku Ketikuran, Nyay Tharasu, Paasa Paravigal, Padata Thikikal, Nitek Kuthundani, Palivana Rojakal, Kalimpetil Solim, Pilayo Pillai, Avan Pitana, Pumalaya, Pumpahar, Kanchi Talaivan, Iruvarulim, Taila Pillai, Arasalang Kumari, Kuravanji, Putumai Pitan, Putial, Raja Rani, Rangoon Radha, Milaik Kalan, Tirumbi Par Panam, Minohara, Manamigal, Parashakti, Minthiri Kumari, Mirudhanatu Ilavrasi, Abhimanyu, Rajakumari. Literature. Karunanidhi is known for his contributions to Tamil literature. His contributions cover a wide range: poems, letters, screenplays, novels, biographies, historical novels, stage plays, dialogues and movie songs. He has written Kuralovim for Tirukural, Thokapia Punga, Pumbakar, as well as many poems, essays and books. Apart from literature, Karunanidhi has also contributed to the Tamil language through art and architecture, like the Kuralovium, in which Kalagner wrote about Tirukural. Through the construction of Valluvar Kottam, he gave architectural presence to Thiruvalluvar in Chennai. At Kanyakumari, Karunanidhi constructed a 133-foot high statue of Thiruvalluvar in the honor of the scholar. Books. The books written by Karunanidhi include Sangattamir, Tirukural Urai, Ponnar Sanka, Romapuri Pandiyan, then Pandi Singam, Velikiramai, Nenjakunadi, Inyavi Irubatu and Kuralovium. His books of prose and poetry number more than 100. Stage plays. Karunanidhi's stage plays include Manima Gudaram or Ratham, Palanyapun, Tukumedaya, Kagithepu, Nane Aravali, Velikiramai, Udyasuryang and Silapetikaram. Politics. Entry into politics. Karunanidhi entered politics at the age of 14, inspired by a speech by Alagiraswamy of the Justice Party, and participated in anti-Hindi agitations. He founded an organization for the local youth of his locality. He circulated a handwritten newspaper called Manavadnesan to its members. Later he founded a student organization called Tamil Nadu Tamil Manavar Mandram, which was the first student wing of the Dravidian movement. Karunanidhi involved himself in the student community in social work with other members. Here he started a newspaper for its members, which grew into Murasali, the DMK party's official newspaper. The first major protest that aided Karunanidhi in gaining ground in Tamil politics was his involvement in the Kallakudi agitation in Kallakudi. Original name of this industrial town was Kallakudi and it was changed to Dalmiapuram after a cement mogul who built a cement plant there. DMK wanted to change the name back to Kallakudi. In the protest, Karunanidhi and his companions erased the name Dalmiapuram from the railway station and lay down on the tracks, blocking the course of trains. 2 people died in the protest and Karunanidhi was arrested. Rise to power. At the age of 33, Karunanidhi entered the Tamil Nadu Assembly by winning the Kulithalai seat in the 1957 election. He became the DMK treasurer in 1961 and deputy leader of opposition in the state assembly in the year 1962, and when the DMK came to power in 1967, he became the Minister for Public Works. Chief Minister. When Annadurai expired in 1969, Karunanidhi became the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu and the first leader of DMK. Since the leader post was customarily left vacant for Periyar during Annadurai time, as Annadurai was party general secretary only. He has held various positions in the party and government during his long career in Tamil Nadu political arena. He currently represents the constituency of Thiruvarur in the Tamil Nadu State Legislative Assembly. He has been elected to the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly 13 times, from 1957 to 2016 elections, and once to the now abolished Tamil Nadu Legislative Council. World Tamil Conference. He delivered the special address on the inaugural day of Third World Tamil Conference held in Paris in 1970. And also on the inaugural day of Sixth World Tamil Conference held in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, in 1987. He penned the song, Semoziyanatamir Moziyam, the official theme song for the World Classical Tamil Conference 2010, that was set to tune by A.R. Rahman. Ulagattamir Manadu World Tamil Conference was the first coined word for the conference in 2010. However, the IATR organization that had right to conduct the conference was not happy, hence change in name. Annamalai University awarded him an honorary doctorate in 1971. He was awarded Raja Rajan Award by Tamil University, Thanjavur for his book Then Pandi Singam. On the 15th of December 2006, the Governor of Tamil Nadu and the Chancellor of Madurai Kamaraj University, Sir Ajit Singh Barnala, conferred an honorary doctorate on the Chief Minister on the occasion of the 40th annual convocation. In June 2007, the Tamil Nadu Muslim Makkal Katti announced that it would confer the title, Friend of the Muslim Community, Yarani Millet, upon M Karunanidhi.